Hello, crafter friends. This is Virginia from Desert View Studio. This is my first time doing voiceover video. And if you are new to my channel for the first time, thank you and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make candle box holder. The material that I'm using are not much. As you can see here, I have 4 pieces of the cutout that I bought from Hobby Lobby, 3 boxes of tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree, wood glue, and gems that I bought from Walmart. The tumbling towers, you will have some left over, and of course paint. This is the finished products, and here's the overview of the finished product. It's come out very nice. You guys should try it at home. It's really worth it. The pink, it can be any color of your choice, but since my previous project, I made tissue holder box and I was using black and white, so this one I decided to go with the same theme. Perhaps my third project I might be using the same color. So we'll see. And so like this is the shortest candle that I found around the house. And for the demonstration purposes, yeah. And if you want to use this um, box as the candle holder, you can seal the top shut. And you just glue the 14 pieces together as you see here in the rectangular form. And so yeah, I paint the base in white color. I paint about 2 to 3 coat, both sides, front and back, and also like on the side of the panels. And this is the cutout. The color that I use is the 6467 Starlight Gold. I'm not sure if I bought this from Joanne or from Hobby Lobby, but the color come out very nice. I picked about 2 to 3 coat. I also paint on the outer edges and also on the inside because it look more complete and it look really nice. And yeah, at first on my original plan, I was thinking of like using only 2, but then I went back to the store. I ended up buying more, and I'm glad that I did. So it looked more complete with 4. So yeah, but you can use different decorative. But I think this cutout would it look elegant. And here I use jet black. I dry blush the panel here. And if you happen to use a lot of like black paint, it's okay. You can sand it down later, and which I will be doing in the next step. But if you think you put just a little bit, you can always put more. So this is like, anything can be corrected. So it's not big of a deal. And after one side's done, I flipped over and I paint on the other side, and you have to uh, complete all 6 panel. And I also paint on the little foot for the base of the of the steps. And here on the back side, and here I sand down. I have 60 grits of the sandpaper. And here I start to form the box, I use E6000 glue, and all most almost all of my project I use E6000 glue, so it's really good. I have not tried any other glues as yet, but yeah. This project is really fun. It doesn't take long time to make, you know. And I'm planning to make more. Perhaps use different color, and use different cutout design, and yeah, you guys should definitely like try it and put in different part of the house, and or like to fit different holidays season, or perhaps put the hard cutout, for holiday, for Valentine's Day, or Christmas, and anything. So yeah. Once I glue, I usually like let it set for some times, but in this particular project, I leave it overnight because I usually work on multiple projects at once. So yeah, and I don't want to rush it. And here I glue the foot, or the base of the holder. I just like up close, and I also paint it so that way the color tied together, and I glued it already. And you just like glue the box. The box is already dry, and as you can see here, there's a gap on the side of the box. You can use the lightweight speckling to seal the gap, so that way it looked a lot nicer. And here it is. And then you can, once dry, you just like sand it down, and here I start to glue the decorative piece one side at a time, because you might have to hold it down. And here's the gem sheet that I use. As I mentioned before, I bought it from Walmart, and here's the finished product. So thank you so much for watching.